I'll just look. I can have it. I'll take it. Karen, you want some? Slowly.
It's pretty sad that the cats sit and the dog doesn't.
Last piece. Gonna hurry up. Do you want ham instead?
Oh.
Here, Gus, you have it.
No. Oh.
Is this what you were after?
Oh no. It's the ham. She was going, will I go the beer box? Oh, look, Gus is like, oh, food's out, bum down. Oh, even the dog's being good.
Alright, Gus gets it then. Shimmer? Do you want some or not?
Oh, you
Come
don't?
here. Do you want some ham? Come here. Sit. No, sit. Oh, that's what I wanted, the ham stuff. The one that tastes like a pig. Oh, golly. And you still haven't, they're stuck to the tiles. Here, look. There you go. More? Oh, she says, now I'll do it. I'll do anything. Sit down. Sit.
Kira's going to explode any minute.
You can have a big... Slowly. You get it slowly, it lasts longer. That's it, all gone.